I am underneath the car with my dog, apparently, until she gets bored and leaves. I am underneath my 2015 Ford Explorer with these Termitor fog lights. These are the H11s. See right there, it's H8, H9, H11. And I've got the headlights coming on the way. So let me show you just how easy this is to install. Let me flip the camera around. All right, so I've got the car up on ramps. And my theory is right there. There is my fog light. And so I can pull this little fender piece down. I probably will just to give myself a little bit more room, but I don't think that's even necessary. Should just be able to reach in there and unclip that, pull it out, and then put the new one in and then clip it back. Let's see how we do. All right, let's remove that screw. Lefty loosey, switch the bulbs, out with the old, in with the new. Righty tighty. Okay guys, check this out. I just installed this fog light in just a matter of a minute or two. And by the way, you don't have to remove that one screw. I think I just did it for ease of installation, and I think it did help give me a little bit more room, but you don't have to. But look how much brighter that is versus this old yellow one. And these headlights are the ones I'm going to replace soon. I can already tell this is going to be a great upgrade. These I actually replaced about 1 year ago, and I got the most expensive halogens there were, and they're garbage. I mean, they're just garbage. I'm already thinking it's gonna be next level once all these are LED. So all right, now let's put this last one on, and then I'll give you any final thoughts after I'm done. Okay, I just reached in there and pulled that to the left. Now there's a tab right here. Let's see if I can do this and still show you. Just push the tab on the side and pull that out. And then these new ones are so cool in comparison. All right, so now I'm gonna put this one in and then reach back up there, plug it in, and we will be done. It's a pretty tight fit, but again, this time I'm not going to do the screw. Okay, I got it in there. Now I'm just going to turn it. Simple as that. All right, make sure, yeah, that's it. Goodness gracious. All right, that's super simple install. Even Daphne could do it, and I could do it while she was bothering me. Hey, one thing, you'll see this in the pictures, on the very top of the bulb base, they have a built-in fan for cooling. Pretty cool. Plus they're LEDs, so they don't burn as hot. All right, now let me flip on the fog lights and see if they work. So check that out. All right, so in review, these are the Fahren brand Termitor. Read tons of reviews. They get great reviews, great value. And I believe these are the ones my son bought for his Hyundai as well. Man, what a difference. I can't wait to get the headlights changed out. Visibility is so much better with these at night. I can't wait to drive at night, but I've already read all the reviews and seen all the pictures. It's great. The light is that bright white light. I think it's 6500. I was worried it might be blue. It ain't blue. It's that white that you want, or at least that I did want. I didn't want to look like a teenager driving in with their blue or purple lights. I mean, guys, I am thrilled with that. Can't wait to get the headlights on. So again, that's Fahren Termitor LED lights. No complaints, cannot wait. And these are awesome. All right, these were sent to me by the manufacturer for a review. I hope to do the headlight review really soon as well. Super impressed with them. And man, they cost way less than the halogens that I was gonna buy. So they're gonna be way better too. All right, hope that helps you. I'm gonna put the screw back in on this side. That side I did it without pulling the screw. Life is good. This is so good. All right, have a great day. Some brand new lights for my Ford Explorer. These are the H8, H9, H11, H16 model. Make sure you get the right one. I've got a 2015 Ford Explorer. I've installed LED lights before. They make a huge difference, even like if compared to the very, very, very best of the halogen ones. These are like way better, way better. So let's see how easy or difficult it is. Looks like some backup O-rings. That's cool. So if your bulb is loose or too tight, you can adjust it. That's nice. They give you backup. Give you some gloves, probably just so you don't get your oils on the lights themselves. And look at those. These are so much cooler looking than traditional bulbs. There's the LED chips right there. Okay, this hopefully is the right socket for your car. Sometimes they're wider, more narrow. You just want to pick out the right one to start with. And here we go. That's the whole unboxing. Now let's go put them on. Looking back at those O-rings, if you look at these orange ones here, they're pretty thick. These are a little less thick. So I'm guessing if this doesn't quite fit, you can replace the O-ring to get in there and fit just in case there's some give one way or the other. So that's how I believe that works. Again, let's go put them on.